Using working outs to deal with shitty times in your life. Hope Facebook will let me say that. So, guys, you will come to a point in your life, and this is life in general, and a lot of people can relate to this, to where, for whatever reason, life just sucks. You could have gotten out of a relationship. You know, it was a hard breakup. You could have lost a job. Just could be anything that just really says that, you know what, I'm having a bad day, I'm having a bad week, I'm having a bad year, but life just isn't fun anymore. And you kind of sit there and you don't know what to do with yourself. This is what I recommend for a lot of people. Go to the gym. And let me kind of explain why. Any fitness nut who's been really around working out for a long period of time can actually attest to this, that working out is a great form of mental therapy. Pretty much, and here's the reason why. Especially when you go to a good gym, I'm biased, a good gym like us at RTC, but when you go to a good gym and you get around some good people, all these people are there who improve themselves, what you're going to notice is you start tuning out the outside world. You start tuning out the breakup. You start tuning out the loss of employment. You stop tuning out the bad times in life, and you're put in situations to where you have to focus on you and you right now. So all of a sudden you are getting an example, you're doing a hard squat workout. Well, I tell you what, if you got some weight on your back and you're squatting, you're not likely to think about the crappy times in life. You're going to be focused on you. You get in situations, you're doing some hard workouts, you're doing a hard sprint session, in the back of your mind, you're probably not thinking about the crappy times in life right now, you're focused on the sprinting. It does a couple different things. One, it gives you a chance to forget what's going on in life. Because hey, sometimes life freaking sucks. And it's okay to admit it. It's okay to admit that things aren't okay. And when life does that, go work out. What you'll find is that you tune out of the world for a little bit. You get a moment of reprise where you don't have to think about it. Then you get to focus on yourself. So you get this endorphin high from a good workout. You get a little mental vacation from life, and you get a little mental detox. All that pent-up stress, you get to dump it out in the gym. I'm not talking about airing out the laundry, though. Don't air out your dirty laundry and tell everyone about your sad breakup. Everyone's got problems. You know, keep your problems to yourself. Leave them outside the gym doors. But what it can be is you got some aggression, take it on the weights. Nothing beats just picking up some heavy weight and just letting your muscles do some work. You'll find that you'll just have a massive stress relief. Working out should be as much of a mental detox than anything. Yeah, it's great for the body, but I tell you what, for those people in their points in lives, to when life is hard, you got a lot on your plate, a lot is going on, one of the best things you can do, go to the gym, dump that stress bucket out, tune out of the world for a little bit, focus on yourself, and then when you walk out of the gym, you're going to have an endorphin high. You're going to feel better. Mentally, you're going to feel more clear. All of a sudden, those problems don't seem as bad anymore. All of a sudden, that breakup that you had didn't seem to be as big of a deal because you know what? You'll get over it and you move on. All of a sudden, losing your job, you know what? Whatever. You'll go find another one, a better one that makes you happier. That's the cool thing about a lot of this. Okay? So what I'm going to highly recommend you do is if you find that you're in some bad times in your life, spend some time to focus on yourself. Go to the gym, work out, break a sweat, dump all that stress out, have a mental vacation, have a mental detox day, and you do this on a frequent basis, you'll notice is that working out is in a lot of cases, especially at a good gym, working out is just as much of a mental therapy session as it is a physical therapy session. And any of you people that have been working out for a period of time, any of you gym rats that have been doing this for anything longer than a couple months, you all can attest to that, because damn, sometimes it just feels good to get out of the gym with a hard workout, and you know what? All of a sudden, life doesn't seem that crappy anymore. So guys, I hope that helps you. I hope maybe that for some of the people that have just forgotten what life is supposed to feel like, go work out, give it a shot, and go enjoy it. So guys, if you have any comments or questions, anything you want to chime in on, hey, put them in the comment section below. I'd be more than happy to chime in with you. But in the meantime, everyone, take care. Have amazing workouts, even better meals. Look forward to chatting with all of you tomorrow.